Guys, so if you want to change your wallpaper or to download other wallpapers for your Samsung device, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First, you have to go to the settings, after that to wallpaper, and here you can see the wallpapers for a home screen and the lock screen. And if you want to change that, you have to go to the my wallpapers menu point, and here you can see featured wallpapers or downloaded ones. I have none, but if you have downloaded, here will appear. And if you don't want those wallpapers and you want to have your own photo as a lock or home screen wallpaper, you have to go to gallery and to choose from your pictures. And there are other wallpaper services, and here is like dynamic wallpapers, and it will switch automatically, and you can see always different kind of wallpapers. And if you want to download wallpapers, you have to go to explore more wallpapers menu point, and here you can see the featured ones and the top ones. There are all of course free ones, and there are for which you have to pay. You can choose whichever you would like. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.